When I was given the task of interviewing someone who works managing media, I was immediately shook by the sheer number of options there was. And I'm the kind of guy that'll hold up the line at Subway when asked to choose between 5 different types of bread. But media goes way beyond Italian herb and whole wheat. Media is massive, and it's everywhere. And in this ever-evolving world of Twitter influencers, Netflix binges, and meme-filled finstas, I found myself overwhelmed with possibility. I mulled over this for about a week until I had a rather interesting conversation with my friend and coworker, Cozy. Cozy's second job takes up a lot more time and brain power than at our coffee shop. Cozy plays Call of Duty.
Shout out to everybody. Thanks to Panda for subbing today.
Okay, maybe we're getting somewhere here. I mean, this isn't the magnitude of Hot 97 or The Tonight Show, but it's media. And he's managing it for sure. But there's plenty more people in my life in the same game, each with their own style, their own format, and their own story. So to get a clearer view of the big picture, I talked to 3 of the 23 million YouTube channels out there that are just trying to make it.
So I'm Matt Cozy.
My name's Timothy.
My name is ICareAboutYourApple. I'm a YouTuber since 2011.
I've been doing Twitch and YouTube for about 3 years.
I make gaming videos. I play Call of Duty, and I'm like, hey, here's what's going on in my head.
Let's start with Cozy.
I'm going to effectively rate Black Ops 4 compared to other CODs and just let you guys know my personal first impressions for Call of Duty Black Ops 4.
So it all started back in the day. I was watching, actually, Modern Warfare 2 came out, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, literally everybody's favorite game. And I was 11-year-old Matt, complete squeaker. He used to watch like the 6 YouTubers that maybe played that game and uploaded it all the way back then. And I was like, I want to do that. So let me just like do everything cringy known to man. Ow, my head. And then after that, I won the Carnage Recruitment Challenge.
I kept hyping him up about when he went for the recruitment challenge because he didn't think that he was going to make it.
That is the biggest highlight, I would say, of my YouTube career. I joined Carnage. There was so much hype. I gained like 1,000 Twitter followers overnight, I think. And I gained like a good like 600 to 800 subs overnight.
Okay, so for whoever isn't familiar with Carnage, it's basically a Call of Duty-centered esports team. The team's online presence is spread out across the teammates' individual channels, each ranging from a couple thousand to over 1 million subscribers each. So far, Cozy's channel has made it to over 8,000 subscribers and is growing rapidly, having nearly doubled in the past year. A big factor in this was his involvement with Carnage, whose main channel has over 677,000 subscribers and almost 100 million total views.
I started off as a commentator. I'm not good at the game, so I would just tell stories while other people got the gameplays, and that would be uploaded. But what Carnage altogether is just pretty much gaming content.
Is Tim in Carnage?
No.
He's not in Carnage?
No, he's never
what,
gonna
this
join
whole
Carnage.
time?
Tim ain't in Carnage.
Well, I am in Carnage Clan.
You're in it?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Why?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Cozy told me you were not in Carnage Clan.
I'm gonna be honest, Cozy told me to do this to you. I'm not in Carnage Clan. He was like, do me a favor when he brings that up, say that you are. Just really confused.
Oh my
Sorry,
god.
sorry.
Wow, we did throw this interview off the rails, my dude.
Nah, but like he's like cool with the Carnage guys, if that makes any sense. He's kind of like a background character everybody knows him. It's just, you know.
It has cameos in there.
Yeah, exactly.
I was kind of friends with like a lot of the people a couple of years ago that they picked up into Carnage, like before they got into Carnage. I'll talk to the Carnage members, and I went to the Carnage meetup, so they all know me now, and now we're going to Anaheim in June all together.
What are you doing in Anaheim?
We're going to COD World Champs and Call of Duty World Champs.
So, when you started, what kind of content were you producing?
Minecraft Let's Plays? Isn't that how every YouTuber starts?
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kitten Kittehh here, and I'm back with another episode.
Because I took a break for a while about 2 years ago, and then like I saw Cozy, who was enjoying it, and I remember how much I enjoyed it, and then we kind of just like keep each other on our stuff with being efficient in it and actually doing it.
Oh my god, Kitten uploaded a video! Kitten's back, bitch!
Me and Tim have a 65% overlap in our viewers. which is that's unprecedented. I can't even comprehend the fact that 65% of our viewers watch each other.
You're mainly YouTube or you're mainly Twitch?
I'm mainly Twitch.
Tim found his niche on Twitch.tv, the live streaming platform for gamers.
YouTube is videos, Twitch is streams. Twitch is more of like community driven.
With YouTube, you're kind of speaking to like a grander audience because you don't know if you don't know how many people are gonna watch that video. So you'll speak like, say, everybody, rather than on Twitch, you see all the people, they're like speaking to you through text, and you can address them by name, and it's kind of like more of a heart-to-heart when you're streaming like on Twitch and everything, because you see the same people every single day, and they essentially become like one big family.
Regardless of a Twitch stream's unavoidably smaller audience, I found out something that I would not have expected about the platform. In fact, I didn't even plan on mentioning Twitch in this video until I learned about the sheer amount of money that can come from it.
YouTube, as of lately, does not really support their creators. I mean, Twitch has literally paid me over 1 million times more than YouTube has in the last year. And that's not an exaggeration because YouTube's giving me nothing.
There are numerous ways to do this. For one, buying a subscription to the streamer can come with special perks, particularly pertaining to the chat.
It's like somebody will literally pay $5 to send a picture of me with a cowboy hat on in the chat, just to make fun of me, because it's literally just all embarrassing emotes.
A viewer can also directly donate money to the streamer while they're live. This is the most popular way to do it and the biggest revenue stream. Not only is this a great way for viewers to contribute to their favorite streamers, it can come with a wide variety of perks too. In Tim and Cozy's case, some painful challenges.
So the big hit with my stream is the Wheel of Pain. You've seen it. Somebody donates me $5. I grab this little like circus wheel, and it has all sorts of challenges written on it. Whether it's to do like say like 30 push-ups, a shot of apple cider vinegar, which is don't.
Wait, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh!
And people just like pay to see me suffer.
Tim took this idea further last Christmas when he had a 12-day streaming event to raise money for Toys for Tots.
I called it 12 Days of Litmus, where it was 12 days where I would be streaming for all 12 days, and that's actually the first time that I streamed for 12 days straight with no days off. And if they donated $5 or more, I had presents in the background that I had to unwrap, and inside the box was a challenge for me to do, which varied from cutting an apple with a plastic sword to brushing my teeth with mayo.
For the record, I'm the donor that made him brush his teeth with mayo. I'm also the guy that's responsible for losing almost all the Litmus footage on my computer when my hard drive crashed, so you know what, let's drastically change the subject to somebody else.
Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing Subway ASMR.
We're going to take a break from the hustle of gaming culture for a minute to talk to Crystal, a YouTuber who has no plans for her videos or her channel as a whole.
I actually don't plan out my videos. If I try and plan a video, it seems forced. So when I feel a great burst of energy, that's when I start filming, because that's when the best content and ideas come flowing out of nowhere.
Crystal is the anti-media manager, if you will. I even had a difficult time fitting her interview into this video due to how much of an oddball she is. She's not in it to make it at all. And yet she somehow managed to rack up a couple thousand subscribers making nothing but loose freeform content like this. Her hobbyist philosophy contradicts all the advice Tim and Cozy gave me about my channel.
I can make a video. The hard part is conceptually deciding what it's gonna be.
Stream until I have work, and then go to bed.
Being able to, snap your fingers for somebody who's scrolling down their sub box or going down their related videos and be like, hey, watch this, give me a chance.
I don't focus on my brand or my image. Maybe when I was like 12, when I first started, I tried to make like a logo, ICareAboutYourApple, but that really didn't really matter. I mean, if I ever wanted to expand into if I wanted a following, like a hardcore following, I could probably do it given enough effort, but I'm not too concerned with that right now.
And you know what? She has a point. Content creators can get caught up in the statistics and revenue and comments when, at a small scale, the purest drive to create doesn't come from the numbers. It's the love of creation itself, putting yourself out there for the world to see. That's all anyone in this video is doing after all. So maybe making it wasn't the appropriate title for this video. as much as YouTube's old motto was, broadcast yourself.